Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Louise and today I'm going to make an AroAce icon for myself. And I'm going to do this because, I am AroAce and Jaden Animation just made a video about her being AroAce and a friend of mine just made an icon for herself. So I thought, you know what? I want to do that too. So let's begin. I'm going to do this in Photoshop. I like to use it to draw things. So first we will open Photoshop. I have to wait a little bit. Bloop, bloop. You can use any program you like. I just use Photoshop because I have it and it's easy. We're going to make a new file. Oh my god, why is it so slow? Yeah, A3 formats. Just make it as big as you want. Now, voiceover and the reasons can take over because like my recording was like an hour long and I didn't want to talk to you with that. So here I'm taking a picture of me, and I'm taking references from the arrow and the ace flags, and yeah, I pick all the colors so I can easily find them. And then I'm going to make a sketch layer, and there I'm going to sketch over my picture, which you will see in a moment. Look, there are all the colors. I'm using a Waycom tablet. It's very easy to use. You just do the USB in your laptop. It's very easy to carry also. I have one that's like A5 big, but you can also have bigger ones. The pen, I just always put them in my pencil case, and yeah. Now I have done a little sketch. I have not deleted, but made the photo invisible, and now I'm going to trace those things, drawing in colors. It's very rough. Later I'm going to make this better, but this is just so I can see where it's all going. I already have the lines there, I know where it all is, so that I can later delete the sketch layer and don't have to worry too much about where things are. Now that I have kind of the basic things, I'm going to add details. So like in the hair and in the clothes, I'm going to draw lines in the darker color of my palette, which is the AroAce flag, and it will just make it a lot better. This is very struggling. I used very different kinds of purple. I was like not really happy with one. Finally, I got a good one. I also did this in a different layer, like under color. I always have like the sketch layer, the lines layer, the color layer, and sometimes an under color layer so that I can easily switch between them and draw over things and other things, and it won't get in the way. Now I'm using a background with the aromantic flag colors. I think it worked pretty well for this one, and now I'm going to refine things. You see here I'm adding details and changing things, just making it better. Also the eye, it didn't match up with the other one, which I made a little bigger than in my photos, so that's why it didn't match up anymore, and I had to draw a new one. And now I'm going to be drawing all the wrinkles in the clothes and my hand. Yeah, I was like using references for my sketch layer, and I was like, okay, so here they have to go. Slightly dark color. I was really lucky with AroAce flag because it had just the right colors I needed. Here my hand looks a bit wonky. It's just like the camera angle. My hand is just grabbing something, and here I make that the finger I'm grabbing is the ace flag. which I think is funny. Now I'm going to add a sign of myself and Vivi in the AroAce flag colors, and I think it worked out. Now what I want to do is crop it until I only have the drawing that I want to in it. I am now deleting the other layers. I already saved it as a PSD in a different name, so I can still go back and change things when I want to. And now I'm going to save it as a PNG, which means I can use it as an image and I can share it with people. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked it. I think it worked out decently. So see you next time.